Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bauhn wireless headphones. First, make sure your headphones are fully charged. This ensures a smooth pairing process without interruptions. Next, find the power button, usually on one of the ear cups, and press it firmly for a few seconds. You should see a small indicator light, often blue or red, confirming they are now powered on and ready for the next step. Now, let's get your headphones into pairing mode. With the headphones already on, press and hold the power button once more for about 5 to 7 seconds. The indicator light will begin to flash quickly, signaling that your Bauhn headphones are actively searching for a device to connect with. Keep your headphones within a few feet of your phone or computer for the best results. It's time to connect to your device. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Your device will then scan for nearby Bluetooth accessories. Look for Bauhn headphones or a similar name in the list of available devices. Tap or click on it to establish the connection. You might hear an audible confirmation tone. Once connected, the flashing LED light on your headphones should become solid, indicating a successful pairing. Play some audio to confirm everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, such as the headphones not appearing in the list, try turning both your headphones and your device off and on again. Then, simply repeat these easy steps from the beginning for a fresh attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.